Hello friends, welcome to Delgado TV. I have a 1989 Ford 350 F350 with a diesel engine and it's been acting up. Well, as you can see, there is some fuel leaking somewhere. It looks like it's coming from the injector right there next to on the base of the injector. I can see fuel coming in through there. Interessant. Okay.
God, I don't know.
Okay, so that plate came out of here. Like that.
You come to get that Jeep. Tube.
Okay, straight down the hole it goes. All right, let me see.
The other way, behind the tube.
Yep, yeah. Okay, now it's going. It's going. Well, you know, we have to. Yeah.
I knew you would.
I know. I figured. Well, because it started leaking. I started it, and it started leaking on the first two on this side. Yeah, so I said, you know what? I'm gonna have to do them all.
What if they always did?
Well, remember it was dry on this side before.
Those are return lines.
But when we bled it, then it started leaking on this side. So I said, well, two are leaking. Then I decided to take I took the whole thing out, cut the hoses, all of them at the same size, then assembled them all, put them all in, and take the rings out, and well, took the rings out.
You already done it all?
Yeah, I took the rings out, put them all back, put the whole assembly on, and it's done.
Yeah, make sure those are snug.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Look, nice and tight. Just
the reason it wouldn't start is because over there on that filter.
Right.
That was the problem.
Yeah, but look right here, they're all snug. Nice and tight, new hoses, and I guess it should run now. It should is the key word, right?
Yeah, it should.
It should. Okay, so let's